How can I open a piggy bank without a key?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a little conundrum many of us have faced at some point: how to open a piggy bank without a key. Whether you've lost your key or simply never had one, we'll walk you through some safe and easy steps to access your savings.
What will you need?
Before we start, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a soft cloth or towel, a butter knife, be careful to avoid injury, optionally, a hairdryer or a source of heat. Remember, safety first. Always exercise caution when using sharp or heated objects.
The gentle approach.
First, we will try the most gentle method. We'll attempt to open your piggy bank with a butter knife, avoiding any potential damage. 1. Wrap your piggy bank in the soft cloth or towel. This will protect the bank and your surfaces from potential scratches. 2. Insert the edge of the butter knife into the keyhole. 3. Gently wiggle and turn the knife to simulate the action of a key. Be patient, it might take a few tries.
Applying some heat.
If the gentle approach does not work, we'll turn up the heat, quite literally. Heat can cause the lock mechanism to expand, making it easier to open. 1. Aim the hairdryer at the keyhole and run it on high for about a minute to heat up the lock. 2. Repeat the steps from section 2, using your butter knife. Remember, never apply too much force. If the piggy bank doesn't open, it's better to try another method than to risk breaking it or hurting yourself.
If all else fails.
Finally, if the previous methods are unsuccessful, you may need to consider a more destructive approach. But remember, this should always be your last resort. 1. Find a safe place outside where you won't mind some mess. 2. Make sure to wear safety glasses and gloves. 3. Gently break your piggy bank with a hammer. Please note, this method can be dangerous, and we strongly advise adult supervision if children are involved. We hope these steps help you unlock the treasures of your piggy bank. Remember, safety comes first, and patience is key. Happy savings and spending!